Let's get your news from Karnataka. The Enforcement Directorate has been investigating the serious charges in the alleged Muda scam, and now they claim they've got concrete evidence against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Here's what the ED has said, and these are details we have exclusively on India Today. First, that there's proof of 14 sites being illegally allotted to Siddaramaiah's wife, Parvati. And remember, it's over this allotment that there's a showdown over. So they claim they have evidence that this is illegal. Now, Siddaramaiah's son was, in fact, the MLA at that point, and so inevitably was a member of the Muda board. So the ED has said that's how the allotment was even made possible, using influence. There's also evidence that the ED has against Siddaramaiah's two close aides, two personal assistants. And reportedly, these assistants wielded undue influence. This is what the Enforcement Directorate has said. Now, the signatures were forged to ensure allotment for wife Parvati. Again, these signatures were allegedly forged by Siddaramaiah's assistants. They forged it to ensure land allotment adequately and what they wanted for Siddaramaiah's wife. The ED has also mentioned a deep-rooted nexus for the land crime between businessmen, between brokers and between politicians, which they say has been established. The ED shot off a letter to the Lokayukta as well on this. And let's get your reaction from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. So Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister, now reacting to the ED's charges and the letter they've shot off to the Lokayukta, crying conspiracy and questioning the timing of it. Siddaramaiah has taken to social media to say, and I'm reading from his statement, just a day before our petition is set to be heard in the High Court, the ED writes to the Lokayukta, a move clearly aimed at influencing the judiciary. The ED investigation itself is questionable. The proper course would have been to submit findings to the Lokayukta before completion. Instead, writing to the Lokayukta and leaking it to the media exposes a politically motivated agenda. So now Siddaramaiah questioning the Enforcement Directorate, saying that all of this is politically motivated. Due process hasn't been followed, and he's even alleging that this is an attempt to influence the judiciary. So Siddaramaiah countering all allegations. He's maintained it's completely untrue, and now saying even the ED's charges are timed to a petition filed in the High Court.